Tonight was a regular board meeting of ISD 318's school board. The board heard tonight from Darin Cherne, our Director of Buildings and Grounds. He gave a report about the last year and the projects that the Buildings and Grounds crew has worked on, maintenance and building and otherwise, and also the staffing uniquenesses that we have. We have a large district, almost 1 million square feet of building to take care of, and a great deal, number of acres of ground to take care of, and they do an outstanding job. The board also heard during the open forum time from a number of our teachers who were able to share their stories and what it's like to be a teacher in a classroom in ISD 318, and so that was a great opportunity as well. During the board meeting, we heard from a couple students that are leading an effort to unite with some students in the Twin Cities around a singular cause, which is how do we increase the opportunities for students after school, and by doing that, give them positive and productive things to do, and decrease the opportunities for mental health and physical and social and emotional challenges for those students. So really proud of our students and the work they're doing. They're working on having a bill drafted, and so they're learning a lot about the legislative process as well. The school board considered and approved a request for a field trip to Europe in 2024, which will be the 80th anniversary of D-Day. Grand Rapids High School teacher Brad Hyduk presented that, and it will be a great opportunity for our students to see battlefields and recognize soldiers that fought in that event. Also heard from Principal Dan Adams and Angie Berg from our GEMS about what's been happening at the schools lately and their efforts around positive behavior efforts. The school board also heard a number of facilities items, one from on our projects that we have going, the Big Fork project, the Grand Rapids High School air quality improvement, as well as Southwest. Southwest, again, is where we're going to be moving our administrative, our alternative learning center, and consolidating some programs so we can save maintenance and operating costs. But then also heard from Max Peters, the city administrator from Cohasset, about a project that's going on there along the river, and looking for some support from the school district. The city of Cohasset has been a great partner of our school district. We currently share a facility over there and have a senior center and child care right inside the same building as our elementary school there. So great to have great community partnerships. The school board also accepted some letters of resignation, but most significantly retirements of a number of staff, having been here and worked over 100 years in that group, and so very appreciative of people's commitment to the children and the community of ISD 318. Finally, the school board approved a number of individual contracts. We're beginning negotiation season, and so getting that started. One of the most significant things that and changes in these contracts was the inclusion of a shift in our healthcare plan, and working on bringing that into alignment and creating a system that's more sustainable for our school district. And that wraps it up.